The plant-based curry of the Tamils. The demand for plant-based foods is growing, and Tamil curry can play a role in meeting this demand. There is a significant rise in the market for vegan, vegetarian, and plant-based foods, reflecting a preference for healthier and more sustainable eating choices among consumers. In the UK, Tamil curry has been misrepresented and portrayed as a non-vegetarian culinary tradition due to a distorted version introduced. The current industry players lack knowledge about the history and geographical roots of Tamil curry, as well as its plant-based nature. This unawareness hinders the recognition of its potential to meet the rising demand for vegan, vegetarian, and plant-based options, resulting in an inadequate response from the industry. The failure to tap into the potential market for these options due to informational gaps leads to an inability to meet the demand for plant-based food. There is an urgent need for curry industry players to raise awareness about Tamil curry, showcasing its rich and diverse culinary heritage for accurate representation. Exploring vegan Tamil curry recipes. Tamil curry has an ancient history dating back many millennia. About 525 years ago, the Portuguese introduced chili to the Tamils, along with at least 130 new vegetables and plants, sparking a curry renaissance. Many new vegetable curries emerged as a result, and almost all of them are vegan, vegetarian, and plant-based. From pineapple curry to cashew nut curry to breadfruit curry, the list goes on, not to mention potato, tomato, and beetroot, all using another plant-based cream, coconut milk. Tamil curry demonstrates the versatility of plant-based ingredients in creating creamy coconut-based curries. It infuses tangy tamarind flavors into stews, adding a unique and tantalizing dimension to vegan Tamil curries. Plant-based dieters can explore the balance of creamy and tangy elements for a delightful culinary experience. In addition, there are millet-based delicacies that elevate the experience for plant-based dieters, fulfilling their expectations from the market. The Tamil culinary tradition offers numerous options to encourage culinary enthusiasts to expand their palates and embrace the full spectrum of plant-based Tamil cuisine. Tamil curries cater to seasoned vegans and those new to plant-based diets. Crafted to suit a wide range of tastes, appealing to both those familiar with veganism and newcomers, they boast balanced flavors for a satisfying culinary experience that transcends dietary preferences. The Tamil plant-based curry creates a sensory journey, connecting not only with taste but also with the cultural and historical richness embedded in Tamil culinary traditions. It offers more than just a meal, an immersive experience transcending geographical boundaries. There are many benefits of a vegan diet, making it a compassionate and health-conscious choice with a comprehensive nutritional profile. A well-planned vegan diet provides all essential nutrients, including protein, vitamins, and minerals. Emphasizing the importance of diverse plant-based sources for nutritional balance, it lowers the risk of heart disease and improves cardiovascular health by reducing saturated fats and cholesterol through the elimination of animal products. A vegan diet, rich in fiber, promotes healthy digestion, contributes to weight maintenance, and prevents digestive issues. It is also linked to a decreased risk of certain cancers, such as colon and breast cancer, emphasizing potential health benefits beyond cardiovascular considerations. Furthermore, adopting a vegan lifestyle has a positive environmental impact, lowering greenhouse gas emissions and deforestation. It aligns with sustainability, reducing the environmental footprint and addressing concerns related to animal agriculture. Embracing a vegan lifestyle with Tamil curry ensures a positive impact on personal health and contributes to a more sustainable world. It encourages overall health and well-being through conscious dietary choices, fostering a compassionate and sustainable world. Aligning personal values with a global vision for a healthier planet, the ancient Tamil culinary tradition stands alongside these principles. Vegan, vegetarian, plant-based, or even non-vegetarian, the Tamil curry tradition can cater to all tastes. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.